नमस्कार सभी को मेरे पूजा सामग्री मांतीराम पूजा सामग्री में ज्वाइन होने के लिए सबको धन्यवाद. एवरीवन, थैंक यू फॉर कनेक्टिंग विथ मांतीराम पूजा सामग्री. दिस शॉप इज पूजा सर्विस oriented based shop. I have started it from very small and my goal is to provide the entire Vedic puja samagri under one package to each customer in my city, Kolkata. Please contact Maantiram Puja Samagri while you perform any puja. This service is still very new in Kolkata, and you know that from the ancient medieval time there are thousands of goods that should be packed for the puja and used for puja, but as because the priest and the purohit pandit has less knowledge, they won't use the list while you perform puja. So whenever you are performing puja or any rituals item, kindly use the list and give this list, call us and send the list, order through the list, get the listed item, perform your puja and get the peace from the God. That is the simple Vedic system of Hindu society. On this society, this entire product based services I have launched through Maantiram, and Maantiram is the company that my startup that I run for my user in Kolkata. You can see at my background there are list of products. I will show you more. I have flower decorated clay item or any metal item or items such as a ROLI, KUMKUM, Kalawa, Kapoor, CHANDAN, Moli Dhaga. I have a candle, Dhoop, bhakti. There is one more item which I required, Panchaguri. You see this Panchaguri item required. I bring Chandan for you. I have to also keep the thread which we use when we fly the kites. This kites thread I have. This you can tie. This is the Kalawa. This is actually Raksha Sutra, which we tie a knot in our hand like me, and you get a peace, you get a cosmic support and the cosmic security through, while you perform this puja and aarti through Hanuman Lord prayer or any other Hindu dharma's prayer. You get this Raksha Sutra, and this Raksha Sutra, tying a knot through Raksha Sutra help you liberate your soul and keeping restore your faith and keeping you very much secure through this Raksha Sutra, because all negativity, evil energy to be omitted from you. Once you tie this Raksha Sutra, this entire Raksha Sutra will help you all the time. Anyway, thank you. I will come slowly online. I have just been here starting my business from 2021 and supporting it from the shops. I have a website that is www.mantiram.in and our number is 9836656048. This is our channel. You can call us, contact us, reach us, consult us before your puja. And this service is entirely free and promoted through myself. I am a Rajkumar Roy. I have founded this shop to operate this religious ceremony, religious Vedic systems, mythology systems, because we have many gods, 83 crores of gods we have, but we don't know which energy we need to attract, which energy we need to follow, why we need to call the god, which item to be used for puja. So therefore I have gathered all the knowledge from 5 years of my research. From 2018 I have found out that calling, meditating won't alone help us. We need to perform worship. We need to use some product-based items which connects and transcend cosmic energy to the higher vibratory soul, and then it is given to you, such as a Raksha Sutra is. Thank you. Namaste. This was my knowledge. I have just shared you. If you like it, that's fine. If you don't like it, keep it with you. I am not here to disturb you. Thank you. Come to my channel. This is free video. I have just recorded it. If you like it, that's okay.